today's question. I need to buy a new car, but I don't have a lot saved up for a down payment. How much do I need to put down if I have a great credit score? And do I even need a down payment for a car purchase? Whether you're buying a car or a house, there's always a trade-off you'll make between down payment and interest rate. When you don't have a lot of cash for a down payment on a car, you'll usually pay a higher interest rate and you'll have to take a longer term for the loan. You're going to pay more in interest on the car than you otherwise would have because you're generally paying on the loan for a much longer period of time. Ideally, you'll want to put down 10 or 20%, or I think like 50%. The more you put down, the less interest you're going to pay. The good news is, if you are going to pay interest, and if you qualify for today's super low interest rates, you'll actually pay relatively little in interest overall. You can get a car loan at the prevailing interest rate, and right now, those rates are at historic lows. Now, while you don't necessarily need to make a down payment when you buy a car, keep in mind that the day you drive the car off the lot, the value of the car will fall below what you initially paid. You could be upside down in your car loan, and that can be a very dangerous thing, because if you're upside down in your loan and you get into an accident, the insurance company may not reimburse you for as much as the value of the loan. To correct that problem and fully protect yourself, you might want to consider carrying something called gap insurance until you're right side up on the loan. Auto insurance is meant to cover the current cost of the vehicle or replacing the vehicle, while gap insurance covers the difference of the car as it loses value. If you're leasing a vehicle and have a finance term of more than 60 months, or if you're putting down less than 20%, gap insurance could really pay off. If something were to happen to the vehicle, you'd be insured for the value of the car when you purchased it. I'm Ilyce.